CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4. Given a scenario, configure and use web browser features. Browser compatibility. Browser compatibility refers to how well a website or web application functions across different web browsers. With numerous browsers available like Safari, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and Opera, ensuring your digital creations work seamlessly on all of them is essential. Poor browser compatibility can lead to frustrating user experiences, broken functionality, and even security vulnerabilities. Various factors can impact browser compatibility, but one major factor is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code used by websites. Browsers tend to interpret these languages differently, which can cause some website pages to have visual or functional discrepancies. Behind me, I have a graphic of the same web page being rendered by two different web browsers, Firefox and Safari. Can you spot any differences? And lastly, when it comes to web applications, compatibility issues can arise from older applications not being able to function on newer browsers or the opposite, newer applications not functioning on an older browser. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.